camera. It's not a drone. It's a flying camera that you just throw and it starts flying. My favorite part of the video is they show an old lady just throw it. They're like, even old people can throw it. It's also waterproof. They show them dropping it into a river. It just flies out of the river. Terrifying. Robots are gonna kill us all one day. It's got a few different modes you can set the camera in. There's a follow mode, where obviously it follows you, a lead mode, where it follows but in front of you, and there's a 360 tracking mode. It'll spin around you, get like nice matrix shots of you, so when you're fighting an agent, you can get a lot of good shots. I'm really looking forward to just stunt guys using it, like just like fight nerds, like stage combat.
A world of possibilities at your fingertips. The Magic Cube is a projection keyboard that doubles as a virtual multi-touch mouse. It's two revolutionary mobile input devices in one small package. The Magic Cube laser projects a full-size keyboard onto nearly any flat, opaque surface and requires very little space to operate. The Magic Cube is a perfect companion to tablet PCs, smartphones, laptops, and desktop PCs. It's compatible with the latest mobile devices, including the iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, and many other mobile devices that support Bluetooth HID without installing a driver. It's small, light, and easy to carry. The Magic Cube has a long-lasting rechargeable battery and a power-saving mode that allows the user to turn off the laser projector to extend battery life, and then easily turn it back on with a simple gesture.
We did it step by step.
We thought it would be really interesting, and we thought maybe they need a track of 10 meters and this can all be done and it would be quite easy. When I then heard about these plans for jumping and other things, I said, okay, that's a tough job. This track has 3 poles. A North Pole, a South Pole, and then a North Pole. And in between there's a magnetic field which is on top of the track. Now, how to see this? With your eyes you cannot see anything, of course, but you can sense it with the magnetic material. As soon as you come closer, you feel the force of the magnetic field. 25 years ago, the high temperature superconductors were detected.
The superconductors inside of the board are made of yttrium, barium, copper oxide. And if you bring the superconducting material at a distance above this track and cool it down with liquid nitrogen, gets its superconducting properties, then this stores this magnetic field and is able to levitate above this track segment as long as it is cooled.
A very stable levitation is possible, which is passive. You do not need any energy for this. One can freeze in a magnetic field in the superconductors.
There was a question, could you imagine having inclines? We answered yes and tried to build one. And then came the declines, then came the bended curves in a very small radius. And so things developed. It's a real amazing, fascinating project. We hope to inspire people. This project may show them nothing is impossible.